Peace be with you. How are you doing? Today I want to talk about salvation. It is not enough for us to belong to the Catholic Church. Many are bragging that I am on the right church, I am on the right religion, but that is not enough. Membership is not enough. We have to be converted daily. We have to discipline ourselves daily. We have to uh, struggle in holiness daily. The principle one saved is always saved is wrong. Like what other evangelists are preaching, one saved, always saved. No, we have to struggle daily in holiness and we have to answer to God uh, daily and give our yes to Him. That's why I encourage you to uh, keep on vigilance. That's why the gospel is telling us to watch and pray. The temptation is very strong nowadays. So uh, let us bear in mind that we can not just be complacent and think that everything is going well. We have to establish the so-called healthy mistrust of ourselves and be humble enough to admit that daily we are sinning before God and we have to have a sincere contrition and repentance and appropriate penance. Again, membership in the Catholic Church is not enough. We have to struggle daily with the help of God, with His God's grace uh, in the pursuit of sanctity. And I bless you. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritui Sancti.